Hey there, real estate pros. Today I'm diving into something that's about to revolutionize how you do business: artificial intelligence in real estate. Yep, you heard that right. AI is no longer just for tech geeks and sci-fi movies. It's here. And it's transforming the real estate landscape in ways you wouldn't believe. First up, let's talk about property valuation. Remember the days when you had to manually compare similar listings to determine a property's value? We'll say goodbye to that time-consuming process. With AI-powered tools like Zillow's Zestimate, you get accurate property valuations instantly. These tools analyze a massive amount of data from past sales records to neighborhood trends to give you a precise estimate. It's like having a crystal ball for property prices. Now, imagine you're trying to find the perfect property for a client. Instead of sifting through endless listings, AI can do the heavy lifting for you. Platforms like Compass use machine learning algorithms to match clients with properties that fit their criteria perfectly. This means you can spend less time searching and more time closing deals. It's efficient, and it makes you look like a rock star to your clients. Next, let's talk about customer relationship management. AI-driven CRMs like Salesforce Einstein can analyze client interactions and predict their future needs. This helps you stay one step ahead, offering personalized recommendations and building stronger relationships. Imagine sending a tailored property suggestion just as your client starts thinking about moving. That's the power of AI. But it doesn't stop there. Virtual tours have also gotten a serious upgrade. With AI and VR technology, potential buyers can now take immersive 3D tours of properties from the comfort of their homes. This isn't just a cool feature, it's a game changer, especially for out-of-town clients. They can explore every nook and cranny of a property, making informed decisions without ever stepping foot inside. Of course, AI is also making waves in marketing. Tools like AdWords use AI to create targeted advertising campaigns that reach the right audience at the right time. These platforms analyze user behavior and preferences to deliver ads that are more likely to convert. It's like having a marketing genius working for you 24/7. So, what does all this mean for you as a real estate agent? Embracing AI can streamline your workflow, improve client satisfaction, and ultimately boost your bottom line. The technology is here, and it's evolving fast. By integrating AI into your business, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're staying ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this deep dive into AI and real estate helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Let's revolutionize real estate together.